Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Denny and today I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy Plus box. Also, don't forget that it is a box week this week. It's the 1 week that we get together and open up a box every single day. So I recently was able to upgrade. I know many people haven't been able to upgrade, but I got that email notification and I said yes. So for those of you who don't know, Ipsy came out with a plus box, and basically you pay, instead of $10, you pay $25 and you get full-size items. So let's see what's inside my box. It's a little wet because it was raining today, so excuse the condition of the box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It's a complete surprise. I don't know what I have in this box. I am ecstatic to find out. Let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open. Oh, but you know what? I've been forgetting to sing my Ipsy unbagging song and no one's reminded me. So just for this one, I know it's not a bag and it's a box, but it's Ipsy unbagging day. Ipsy unbagging day. Ipsy unbagging day. Who's excited? I am. So let's go ahead and open it. And what you'll see when you first open it, it says Glam Bag Plus, and then 2 lines under it. I thought it said something else. It's gonna look like this. And then it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. I am pretty. And it has some blue foam. When you lift it back, this is what you see. So, ooh, exciting. Okay, let's not look. The first thing I am seeing is a pamphlet. I've never seen them have a thick pamphlet like this, but it does go ahead into detail. I guess it shows you all the products that you are getting. I don't want to look. Let's go ahead and see what my box has inside. The first item that I'm going to pull out is from Smashbox. What? Okay, so this one right here is the Cover Shop Bold Glitter Eyeshadow Palette, or eye palette, and it looks like so. Look at that. I like that. And I don't have many Smashbox products, but it comes with a mirror. This right here is that palette. Ooh, it is pretty. It's a glitter palette, so the whole thing is a glitter palette. It has some awesome like greens, blues. You get me with the greens, you get me with the blues, golds, all of that good stuff. Just color. You get me with color. This is exciting. I don't even know how much this costs, but full size. The next product that I'm seeing is by LXMI or LXMI, I don't know. Anywho, it's a nourishing balm to oil. Let's just open it. Let's open and see what we have here. So I don't know what this is, but it says here, squeeze out the balm and massage into skin. Use as an overnight mask or throughout the day where needed. So you can put it around the eyes, lips, and on dry patches. So it's just like a type of balm for dry patches. This is neat. Also, don't know what the price of this is. Maybe I should look in the pamphlet. Let's see. So yeah, on the pamphlet it does show this here, but it does not tell us the price to any of the products. I don't think. I'm just skimming through and I do not see prices on the pamphlet, so we're gonna keep that to a side. The next product that I am seeing in here, a lot of things are just like kind of open a little bit. This one is from Beauty by Popsugar, and it looks like it's a lipstick. It says a Blush Crush number 2, and this is that product right there. And when you open it, it is a lipstick. So yes, that is a lipstick, and it is a mauve pink, which I'm not mad at. I do like mauve pinks. Again, a full-size product. The next product that I'm seeing is from Morphe. Wow. And okay, so this is a high impact highlighter. from Morphe, and it just says extra. Is extra the color? It says get lit. So we're just gonna go ahead and open this guy up. Yeah, I think extra is the color. This is the packaging for that Morphe, and then it did have a little sheet in front of it that fell, but this is that highlighter. Exciting. And there's a mirror, and there's a mess on my table if you saw that reflection. This looks like an awesome shade. I like it. It's one of my shades. I like champagne colored shades for highlight. So the next product that I'm seeing, another full-size item, it's from Eyeko, and this is the Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. Now I feel like black eyeliners are a staple in most of the boxes. This one comes in this packaging like this, and I believe this is a felt tip liner. I'm not going to open this just because I have a lot of liners open at the moment and I don't want it to dry up. I do want to give this a try in the future, but not right now. And it says, when in doubt, wing it out. Then the last product that I'm seeing in here is from Tarte, and it is the Tarte Maneater mascara. Never tried the Tarte Maneater mascara. I'm gonna open this and see. So this is what it looks like. I'm sure other people have tried mascara. I have not, and I currently have a mascara open, so I'm not gonna go ahead and open this one just yet, but also another full-size item. And then last but not least, this is the last thing in the box, and it is a bag. This is such a cute bag. It's an awesome makeup bag. Like, it has like this little area for like cards. It's a really sturdy bag. It's like, what kind of material is this? It feels rubbery, but it's not rubbery. It's like that suede and rubber. So you have that material there, which I'm not really sure what it is, or this material. You have the burgundy interior, gold zipper, and the tassel, which is the same material as this. I think this is a very cute makeup bag, nice and sturdy. I believe all of these products pretty much fit inside of this bag. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in here to see. Yeah, everything that I got fits perfectly inside of this bag. Loving it, loving it. I'm so glad that I did the upgrade, because I feel that this was well worth it. $25. I'm pretty sure the mascara, the Maneater mascara, is in the $20 range. I don't know how much the Morphe highlighter is, but I'm really sure that it's a full-size item. It's probably a good chunk of change. An eyeliner, a lipstick, this cream, and the Smashbox palette. And I know Smashbox is a more high-end brand, so I'm believing that it's well worth the $25 in my opinion. So I'm super excited. Go ahead and let me know if you thought this was a good choice to switch over and get the Plus. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full-size products. And the only other box that I get 6 full-size products is from my BoxyCharm, and BoxyCharm is $21. And a lot of times there's stuff that I would not always use, but all of these things that are in this particular bag are very useful. Loving this palette. It seems like a holiday palette, and holidays are right around the corner. Mascara, lipstick, eyeliner. I feel like they got all bases covered with this bag. I'm excited. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Remember to enter my monthly mystery bag giveaway, which is going to be linked down below. I'm going to keep doing the mystery bag giveaway for months to come. So go ahead and enter that if you so choose. And as always, from my house to yours, love ya.